People join the paperless movement because they are overwhelmed and stressed with how they collect information at work and in their personal life. How do I efficiently organize my notes? Do I need to buy an iPad to take better notes? Should I use Evernote or Apple Notes or another note-taking app to become more productive? But all these are the wrong questions to ask. It is not what tool you use to take notes, it is where those notes end up that matters. It always starts with a simple note, something you want to jot down to keep in mind, but every note you take could affect your overall productivity system. This chain reaction is what I call the butterfly effect of note-taking. Each and every note could enrich your knowledge base or clutter it up. It really depends on where you write it down. Trust me, I've been there too. In fact, I stopped taking notes entirely because I knew I wouldn't find them later on anyway. But not collecting information wasn't very helpful as I was working in corporate and juggling several projects at once. Me not taking notes should have destroyed my career. They should have sent me packing. But instead of leaving the company, I climbed the corporate ladder. I was able to provide answers to any request without opening a personal notebook. How, you might ask? Well, the easy answer is I stopped taking traditional notes on loose paper or random note-taking apps. Instead, I simply started collecting crucial snippets of information in a predefined place. This meant that when I was called upon to provide details about a specific project, I could deliver relevant information the moment it was requested. Finally, I introduced the system to the team I was working in, and the revelation was that the system could be used in a way that allowed the whole team to access relevant information whenever needed. This led to a 60% increase in our team's performance with the same headcount, and I took on a new position as a team leader. I called this place where we stored and organized our information the single source of truth. And this led to the development of the ICOR framework that I teach inside the Paperless Movement membership and that represents the essence of my corporate experience as a business analyst and team leader, as well as my coaching experience helping hundreds of other business professionals and leaders too. ICOR stands for Input, Control, Output, Refine and defines a productivity system end-to-end in a tool-agnostic way. I strongly believe it doesn't matter what tool you use, it all comes down to this tool-agnostic productivity setup that paved the way to get more done and find information the moment it matters. ICOR is built by business professionals for business professionals to reduce overwhelm at work and become more efficient in managing projects, teams, but most importantly, your own work. Members joining the Paperless movement will learn how to identify the information flow and work streams, which then makes it easy to identify the bottlenecks and organize information in the right place. So stop taking notes you'll never find. Instead, join the Paperless movement and build a highly effective knowledge base yourself. My team and I are here to help you succeed.